Hello everyone, I'm jdflutes. Folks, this is one of my 2019 flute design. These 2019 flutes, I thought I would bring them in early for you because I've been getting a lot of good feedback off of these flutes. I've had many customers to tell me that these flutes are some of the best flutes that they have ever played in their lives. They have such wonderful, clear voices, folks. These flutes here, they may look similar on the outside, but they are a little different on the outside as far as the finger holes goes, the finger spacings, and as far as the shape goes. They are a little different to make these flutes perform the way they do. But what's most important about these 2019 flutes is the internal design of this flute. The way I've designed these 2019 flutes, they take very little breath, they are crystal clear, and you can do a whole lot more with these flutes than you could in my old design. They'll actually go up a little higher, a higher note, higher extra note than what those flutes would do. So the performance wise would be better also. This flute here is actually a customer's flute, and this is a G tune to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. This customer here, they wanted a dragonfly fetish. They will come up with different fetishes. I'll send you photos of the fetishes that I make. And I'm also going to be working on some new fetishes for the year of 2019. I just got to get time to draw them up and cut out a design and go from there. But this one here is a dragonfly fetish. This flute's an oil finish. As you can tell, it has a little satin shine. These oil finish flutes, they are very durable. The oil I use is wonderful. And as a matter of fact, I have a flute that I made back in 2010, and I used this same oil on that flute, and I have never had to re-oil that flute. I have never had to do anything to that flute. It still looks and sounds just like I just made that flute. This is some very good oil. Now, I'm not going to say if that's going to work out for you. You know, I play flutes different. You know, I don't spit on my flutes. You know, I don't leave my flutes in weather. You know, I keep them in a dry environment. And, you know, where they will last. You know, I don't get a lot of moisture in my flutes when I play. If you play these flutes correctly, this oil finish will hold up for you just as long as it's holding up for me. And this oil finish, it's smooth. It has a wonderful feel to it, and the smell has a wonderful smell. It's beautiful. I love them. I love the oil finish. Like I said, this one here is a G tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. The finger holes is small, close together, so anyone should be able to play this flute. It's been bored using a 7/8 of an inch bore. It's been bored using a gun drill. This flute has not been split. I do not split my flutes. I do not oil my flutes together. This flute, it has been made from a solid piece of wood. It will last you a lifetime if you take care of it. And like I said, this one here, up on the bottom, if you can see it, says jdflutes. G, 528 hertz, if you can see it. It's right there on the bottom. I feel like this flute came out nice, folks, and it is such a joy to play. This is an awesome flute, awesome sounding flute. When I do this video, when I play this flute, I'm not going to add any type of reverb, any type of sound effects to this flute. When you hear this flute, it will be in its natural state. If you would add reverb to this flute, wow, you would have an amazing, amazing sound. Let me know what you think. This is my new 2019 design, a G tuned to 528 hertz, the frequency of love, and it's an oil finish. Yep, a G. Hear that extra high note? I'm looking at my tune. I'm going to see what chord that was. I think it was a B flat. I can't see from here. Yep. This goes all the way up to a B flat. Very easy breath. See, I did all of that with one breath. Very nice flute. I'm going to tell you a little, let me see what time I have. I have 5 minutes. That's about all I have. But like I said, this is a wonderful flute to play. If you would like one, all my contact information will be below the screen and also in the end of this video. If you would like one, just reach out to me and I promise you I'll give you a wonderful deal on this flute. Thank you so much and I hope you have a wonderful day.